Welcome to the Vue Avatar component tutorial. An avatar is a CSS-based component designed to represent profile pictures, initials, or icons in a visually appealing manner. In this video, I will show you how to add the Syncfusion Vue Avatar component to a Vue app. I will also demonstrate the different sizes and types of avatars and how to integrate the avatar component with other UI components. I will start with the Vue application creation process using the Vue Vite command. Make sure you have installed the latest versions of Vue and Node.js. To create a project in Vue, open Visual Studio Code and type the npm create vite at latest command. And provide the app name, My Vue App. Next, choose Vue as the framework and JavaScript as the variant. The Vue project is created. I navigate to the newly created Vue app and install the required dependencies using the npm install command. Now the application is configured with default settings of a Vite project. To add the Syncfusion Vue Avatar component, install the Syncfusion Vue Layouts package using the npm install at syncfusion/ej2 vue layouts --save command. This command will install the Vue Layouts package along with its dependencies. The next thing I must do here is to register the trial license key to use Syncfusion components. I open the main.js file and import the register license method from the Syncfusion ej2 base package. Using this method, I register the trial license key. To generate this license key, refer to the link in the description below. To add the avatar component, I open the app view file and remove the default code. As I said earlier, an avatar is a CSS-based component that will be rendered if the appropriate classes are added to the target element. Now, I want to display a profile picture using the avatar component. To do that, I add a division element and set the class name to eAvatar. To add the profile picture image, I add one more class, image. To access the CSS styles of the avatar component, I need to import the necessary CSS references. So within the style tag, I import the necessary material theme references. Then define the CSS classes eAvatar and image, and specify the source of the image using the background image property. Next, save the changes and run the application using the npm run dev command. You can see the profile picture displayed in the default medium size. Apart from this dimension, you can also render images in different sizes like extra small, small, large, and extra large. Let me demonstrate how to add small and large sized avatars. I add two more division elements with the CSS classes eAvatar and image. To display a small size image, I add the CSS class eAvatar small. Similarly, to display a large one, I add the appropriate CSS class. To align these images, add the margin attribute in the style tag. Looking here, the profile pictures are displayed in different sizes. So far, I have shown you how to display the image type avatar. You can also display SVG icons, font icons, initials, words, letters, and custom icons using the avatar. Now I will show you how to display initials instead of an image. For a demonstration purpose, I comment out the other avatar components and keep only the large avatar. To display initials, I remove the image class and include the initials LC in the target element. You can see the avatar rendered with initials. By default, the avatar is displayed in a square shape. It can be changed to a circle by adding the eAvatar circle CSS class. To demonstrate, I add the eAvatar circle class to the target element. Now the profile picture is displayed in a circle. Finally, I will show you how to integrate the avatar with other UI components like card, badge, list view, etc. Here, I will integrate the avatar component into the card component. I will design a card with a profile picture, name, designation, and description. For this example, I will use the Syncfusion card component, and in that, use Syncfusion Avatar to display the profile picture. Let's start designing the card. First, I add a division element with a class container div. Using this class, I add CSS styles to the container. Within it, add one more division element, which is going to act as a Syncfusion card. So let me add a predefined class, eCard, to the division element. This eCard class will add some default style attributes to the outer layout of the card UI. Then I add the class eCustomCard to add CSS styles to the card. Next, I add card elements like header and content with appropriate CSS classes, eCard header and eCard content. I add the existing avatar component to display the profile picture inside the card header. As I want to display the image here, I remove the initials and add the class image. I also change the avatar size to extra large by modifying the class to avatar X large. To enhance the card's appearance, I define the required CSS styles by setting CSS attributes like padding margin, left, box shadow, and so on for the appropriate CSS classes inside the style tag. Check now, the card is rendered with the specified content, and it has the avatar component for displaying the profile picture. In this video, I have shown you how to add the avatar component to a Vue application. You have seen the different sizes and types of avatars, and how to integrate the avatar component with other UI components. If you want to see a working example, you can download it from the GitHub link in the description below. I have also shared a link to learn about obtaining a free license key to use our Vue products through our community license. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel.